Hello and welcome to Winslow Academy. So have you ever wondered how brute force attacks work? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to simulate a simple brute force attack using the Python programming language. And this is strictly educational, and for this particular purpose it's of course ethical because we're using an example password, but it's just to illustrate to you why it's so important to have strong complex passwords, because if you don't, it's very easy to crack, especially if the service that you have entered that password on hasn't encrypted and sorted that password using a strong encryption or hashing algorithm. So in this example here, we have our simple code. So this is just to illustrate how this would work in this case. Here we have a brute force attack method where we will try to well, first let's dive into the main. First off, here we have defined the characters. So this is the amount, the characters that we can choose between. So any combination of these is basically allowed for our script to work with. We have a max length of 6, so we won't go above that. Of course, an attacker wouldn't know that, but typically they have access to a whole library of passwords that has been cracked and leaked online, and then they can just try to brute force away. Then we'll call our method with the characters that is within the boundary of usage, then the max length that it should try. And in the brute force method, we are doing a few prints. First, we are just printing to the console saying that now we are started. Then we set our attempts to 0. Then we basically just loop over this until we have found a password, and then we will of course return that by printing password found and the attempts made. And every time we have made 1,000 attempts, we'll also print that just to show in the console that we are doing a lot of attempts. And here we have the mock login, so this is what we are guessing against. We have the password, which is ABC123, and then we just compare these two passwords. If they match, we know that we have found our password. So let's just start this and see. And as you see, my computer can do a lot of attempts very quickly. And if this was a computer that was optimized to brute force attacking or doing this type of computation, you would basically be able to crack this password more or less instantly. And that's why it's so important that you have these strong passwords. As you see here, within a short amount of time it said, okay, password found, ABC123, and then it prints the amount of attempts here. So it tried 64 million times. And that's how fast it goes, and this is just with a regular computer. Imagine then if you have either a supercomputer or a computer with optimized CPU and GPU, then you can really get some password cracked, and that's why you need to make strong passwords. You can try this out yourself by taking this script that I have here, make it on your own, and then try against one of your passwords and see how long it will actually take to crack that. You can also extend upon this by using a hashed value and then modify the script such that it tries against a hashed password. This was all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and then I will see you next time here on Winslow Academy.